Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. Guess what? It is here. So let's get started. I finally received my shipment from Valaverse. I had ordered just two things that I had this time, and this was my much anticipated figure. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have. Nope. Nicely packed. Thank you, Bobby. Ah, look at this. Toy Unity Expo. Right? Pretty cool. Mark your calendars, folks. There it is, right? And the first thing I got here is the Weapons Pack Juliet. Weapons Pack Juliet. And here it is. We'll open that up here in a few minutes. Then I got this guy right here, and I am really excited. I've got the black action figure. Did I get standard figure or did I get the variant? We shall find out. Also included is this Valaverse, we care. And apparently in a small percentage of black exclusive figures, we found that the upper torso may pop off easily. We have adjusted the lower torso part and included the extra part should you experience this issue and would like to swap it out for a tighter fit. And it gives you instructions. Wow, that is cool, right? There it is. There's the piece. Let's go ahead and pop this guy open and see who did we get. Well, I was going to pop open the black figure, but I figure I'll take a look at this Weapons Pack Juliet first. And let me get it open here. And we shall see what we have. Oh, we have all these blast effects. Pretty cool. Firing effects. And we have all these weapons right here. Check it out. Let's go ahead and pop it open and take a look and see what do we get. You'll have to excuse me, I am not too familiar with all these weapons here, but look at this. Wow. Just take a look at this guy right here. I actually have a 1/6 scale in this size as well. This style of weapon. Let's see here. Oh, take a look at this. Wow. Nice. Super cool. I'm going to swap out some of these for some of my other Action Force figures. And also, heck, I can use these weapons on some of the Joes to replace those crappy guns that they come with. Look at that. Okay, there we go. This will go in here. Is it in this one? It might go in this one. Right, but let's keep going. Wow, take a look at this rifle. Wow, this is cool. Oh wow, this is nice. Very nice. Take a look at that. Got the grenade launcher down here. Oh wow. Take a look at these. Wow. Drum. the drums. Yep. Clips galore. Take a look at this revolver here. Very cool. Very cool. Let me get all these guys out. Oh, it comes with these little itty bitty grenades right in here. Look at that. Wow. I have 3 of those, right? Then I have 2 of these. Very nice. Very nice. This is, I mean, for what you pay for these, Bobby really packs them with stuff. There's another magazine here. Very nice. Here's another pistol. A knife. Ooh, wow. Another pistol. And some clips and stuff. So that's what I got. And then I've got these blast effects here. So very nice, very cool. Let's go ahead and unbox the black figure and see which one did I get. Which one did I get? Is it the standard figure or is it the variant? Let's find out. It is the standard figure. Check it out. Wow, check out this figure. Man, look at this thing here. It is beautiful. Wow. Guys, watching it on videos and on photographs doesn't do this figure justice. This figure is just outstanding. It is great. Just check it out. Wow. Let me zoom in on him. Let me get him out so we'll take a better look and see what he comes with. This collector-friendly packaging is really makes things really easy. I can just take this up top here and slide this out. Let's go ahead and just check this out, guys. Look at that. The black. And just, wow, look at that. This alone, I could display this out there like this. It's just cool. And then here's the file card on this figure. Wow. Wow, very nice. And then the 3 spoils. All right, cut and save for future promotions. Oh boy. Put it right there. And you get the stand, right? Figure stand. Wow, it's got some great texture, some great detail on it. Yeah. Very cool, very cool. And then we have this guy here. Oops. Something fell out. Yeah, one of his hands fell out. Right there. But let me go ahead and unwrap him here, and then we'll open him up and get him out and check everything out. Okay, let's go ahead and check him out. The first thing we've got here is this really nice double barrel pistol. And it's kind of spring loaded. Check this out. See that? Very cool. Let's take a look at the detail on that. Very nice. His hat. It's kind of soft a little bit there. Very nice details on the hat. See that? Oh, the sheath for his sword or machete, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, it's nice. I like that. It's got the pin for the back. He's got his knife Very nice. Take a look at the detail on that. Very cool. And his sword slash machete. What should I call this? Let me know in the comments. Very cool. I like that. Very nice. Of course, he's got his stand, right? I like the detail on this. Pretty cool. And he does come with all these pairs of hands. Check this out. Oh, there's a body piece I replaced. But, yeah, let's... Yeah, I hate taking them out because then it's a pain to get them back in. But there are those. And then here are these, right? So he's got an additional 1, 2, 3. 3 plus the 1. Comes with 4 sets of hands, this figure does. That's pretty cool. Take a look at the detail on him right here. His little holster for his knife. His holster for his pistol. Take a look at his boots. Very nice. I like the detail on it. They articulate, right? He's got some articulation that ways, right? Same thing with this. Let's take a look at his legs. Yeah, they can do the split. And he's got the drop down joints there. Look, see that? Right? Pretty cool. And let's take a look at his knee bends, right? Oh yeah, take a look at that. Very cool. Let's check out his arms. Right? Yeah, he's got articulation here. And, yep, he's got double here. See that? Right there. Pinless joints, right? He's got swivel here. Oh, yeah. I really like the shoulders on this. Yep. And ab crunch right there. Check it out. Pretty good. I like the detail on the little straps he's got wrapped around his arm here. Now let's check out his head sculpt. Oh man, check out the little suckers on him. See that? Oh, it's just a great figure. Wow. Soft goods cape, wire. You can see it's wired. See that? Pretty good. I like this figure. Let me set him up and I'll show him off. Here he is, so that you can kind of get an idea of how he will display with some of my other Action Force figures, even though technically he is a part of the black, which is a little different, but hopefully there will be some connection there. But I've got Trigger, Bone Collector, and I've got this beautiful Day of the Dead, right? This Day of the Dead Sidewinder figure. He is great. But these two right here, beautiful figures. I really like them. He's a great figure. This was a DFW exclusive that I picked up a while back. And Trigger. I still dig Trigger. Trigger is such a cool figure. And I did something a little special. And I'm going to show you guys what I did. As you know, I like to play around with 3D prints and design stuff for my action figures. And hold on just a second and let me show you what I've got. I went ahead and designed my own attack boat in honor of the black, since they're going to be sea pirates or somewhat similar. I decided to design and 3D print my own little attack vehicle. It's got the guns up here on top with the ammo containers here. I've got a light here that swivels, right? I've got, this is supposed to be a bulletproof shield, or right, a metal barrier here to kind of protect the actual figure that sits in there. And back here I've got, in here I've got the ammo cans being held in here, and then you have an area here to store the weapons, a little platform here with the propellers that I'm holding in my hand here that come in here. But there it is, look. He's got a steering wheel that turns, right? Figure can sit in here, an Action Force figure can sit in there, and he fits right in there. Let me pull one out and see if I can get him in there. Let me see if I can get a figure in there. Yeah, let me show you. Got this guy here. He sits right in. He sits right in. There he is. Yep, I can have him stand right here next to it. Right? This is the little attack boat that I made. Let me know. What do you guys think? It's pretty good size. I mean, it's a one-person boat, and it's got guns, and it's ready to go out there and do some damage. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think? Sorry about that. Now, again, thank you so much for watching. And please, give me a like on this video. And subscribe if you haven't already done so. If you haven't, it's free and it doesn't cost you anything. So I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel and like this video. Give it a thumbs up. And please leave me a comment. What do you think? What do you think of this figure? Again, also let me know. What do you think of some of the stuff that I showed you that I had made because I was inspired by the black? Again, thank you so much for watching. So let's add to the action with Action Joe Figs.